We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up USDMXN. Let's start off by creating our SR lines. So when the price started off at back in 2008 of April, we have an area of support. But while we're going through the market and creating these SR lines, support resistance lines, we are looking for patterns. So I do see a few patterns in the market so far. We have a higher high here. It's the highest high. So let's head back over the price, see if we can figure out patterns in the market. So I've seen a few, so let me go back and circle. We have, let me see. Whole bunch here. Another one here. Read these wicks. And there's a hidden one here. Almost missed this one. So this one, I don't want to smash, I don't want to jam this up in this area. So I want you guys to see this area right here, what's going on. Let's take a look at this. So when market started off, it did a single top, pushed up into a single top. If we look at the wicks, it pushes to the top. So most likely that's a double top or a single top and a retest. So single top and a retest, market pushed down once, market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times. 3 pushes to the bottom from highest highs. We know that the market's going to do what? Lose momentum and go up. That's exactly what it did. So from there, that single bottom turned into a first leg of an M. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Okay, so we already got an M pattern. So after the M, retest, market pushed down once. So once the market pushed down once, it was able to create enough momentum. So most of the time we'll see a double bottom here, unless the third leg and the fourth leg is combined as a double bottom. So let's say this is the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest is right here at this doji. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, so somewhere in this area. This got jammed up. The market pushed up a third time, higher highs. We also see a small double bottom here, so I didn't circle this pattern. This is a W as well. So once we see this, we know that the market is going to shoot up. So it reached higher highs, so it capped itself off here. So what we see here is look like a double top and a retest, or maybe a triple top and a retest on a lower time frame. This is the retest right here. So we already know we after a single, double, or triple, what happens? Market pushed down once, came back up. Market pushed down twice, came back up. So it's a huge consolidation. I could have kept on counting these numbers, but I don't go too far past 3. But we can see a double bottom here. So we already know a double bottom form. Market's going to try to go up. So we would have start reading this pattern. Once we would have seen it over this way, so we would have went back and said what? First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market shot up once. Market shot up twice. Market shot up 3 times. And it's the last one right here. 3 to 4 times to the top always. That's the 4th time. The market capped itself at. And the market came down. So being on this monthly time frame, we see it as a single top. If you look at the wicks alone, this is probably a double top and a retest or a triple top. So the retest pushed 3 times. The candles, the wicks pushed 3 times to the tops, which created that probably double, triple top on the lower time frame. You probably see it on the weekly or the daily. And then the market did a retest in this area here. And then we got market pushed down once, came back up, market pushed down twice. Look at, he's going for that third leg, right? That third push right here. So which we can see is losing momentum. So something's trying to form. So this is like a retest area. So if the market breaks out of this area here, we know it can bounce up and down, do a W and go up. We can just do that fourth leg, come right back down for the sell, or it can keep on consolidating for a few more days. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. This is Cam Jones running the levels. USDMXN.